Guys, the market's pumping like crazy at the moment. Things are going off left, right, and center. We've got CAS up 39%. What do you notice here? I specifically can see meme coins, right? Fartcoin is up 48%. Floki's up 40%. We got WIF 54%, Trump coins 73%. The main ones that stick out to me are meme coins and SUI, right? SUI 72%. As you guys know, we had a buy signal from the SMC bot. I took the buy signal and I'm up like 25,000. It's been insane just in a couple of days. Things are starting to really take off. Not only that, the smart money is starting to buy back in, right? I'm tracking the smart money and I can see they're putting their stable coins back into the market. The crypto total 3 market cap is breaking out. Everything's looking quite good. We're seeing some sort of relations happen with China and America, and I think it's not really priced in, and the market is starting to price that news in, and we're seeing this capital flow back into the market as a result, right? So I am not fading the SMC bot buy signals right now. And we've just had a buy signal flash up on something that I'm quite interested in, which we're going to talk about in this video. And why is it specifically important? Because SUI is going absolutely crazy. What does that mean? What happens when a layer 1 goes crazy? The ecosystem tends to go crazy as well. So I've been looking around at the ecosystem. A few things pumped. I don't want to buy things that are, already up 600 million market cap, 800 million market cap. I want to try and find things that are undervalued. What's undervalued right now? Uni, right? Uni, do you remember we were trading this one back when in the markets when things were going crazy, back in the more bullish times when meme coins were popping off? It came down 99%, okay? It came down 99%. This is the co-founder's dog of SUI. SUI's going crazy, and we only just had a buy signal on this yesterday. So you can see it down here. The buy signal flashed off yesterday, and it's still fresh, right? It's still really fresh. It was only yesterday this popped off, and I think the market cap at the moment is, have a look, I think it's 1.4 million. So still very, very tiny. It came down 99%. It came down from like 35 million market cap. So, it's almost 25x, 26x back to all-time highs, which is absolutely insane. The volume is starting to spike up. So you see how we're at $1 million trading volume now. So people are starting to pick this up. People are starting to get back into it after the massive dump that we had in meme coins. And it wasn't just uni. Most meme coins came down a lot, guys. And that's why we're starting to see money flow back into meme coins. Now, what goes up comes down. And why is money flowing into meme coins? Because some of them came down 99%, 95%. It's an easy way for people to make money. They get into the meme coins that are down the most. They look for gems, for example, like I'm doing with SUI. Look for undervalued gems on SUI. We know that there's going to be a lot of people coming into SUI, a lot of interest in SUI. We know a lot of people have made a lot of money in SUI, just as we have, right? I mean, I'm up like 25k in 2 days. Who knows what everyone's up on SUI? A lot of people made a lot of money buying the dip on SUI, and I think that money might trickle down. And some of these projects like a Deep Book on SUI is at like 500, 600 million market cap. It's gone up like 50x or something in a short amount of time. I think some of that money will trickle down into the low caps as they try to repeat the gains, right? So I really like this. The thing, there's various things I like about this, Kay. I don't really buy that many meme coins, unless I think there's something special. I got into Shuanpu, that done like a stupid return, so like 100x or 1000x. I got into Baby Pepe. That was a no-brainer because they just listed Baby Doge on Binance and Baby Pepe, and then that went and done like a 50x, right? I made a 55x on Brett. Got into Brett quite early. That was a no-brainer. This to me is a no-brainer. SUI is pumping, the ecosystem's pumping, the co-founder's dog. Usually the founder's dog does very well. I know we're talking about meme coins, guys. I know these fundamentals sound crazy, but this is how the meme coin space works, right? The main dog on SUI tends to perform quite well. And uni is it, right? Uni is it. Not only is the artwork really cool, you can see that they're putting a lot of work in it. It's been mentioned by one of the co-founders. Okay, so there's a lot of interesting things about uni. It popped off on loads of radars yesterday. You can see here as one of the top performers. So it's flagging up on a lot of people's radars at the moment. We have the buy signal from the SMC bot, so I'm not fading these. I'm not fading these signals, guys. I mean, pretty much so many things we've been looking at. We were looking at taking a long on PopCat recently. I was waiting for the SMC bot to give a buy signal. Look, buy signal, SMC bot. As soon as we had the buy signal, massive gains, right? It went up like 100% in like a week or something. We took the buy signal on SUI USDT. Let's have a look. SUI, we took the buy signal. We had the buy signal down here at like 240. The price is already at 360, right? It's been insane. I am not fading these buy signals, guys. When they pop off, they're very, very accurate, consistently accurate, time and time again. And look at this on Pepe, right? Green candle indicating, look, the green uptrend candle indicating that you might be bottoming here. Double bottom, fantastic for a long position. Buy signal on the SMC bot, bang, straight up, right? Rocketing to the moon. And we're seeing the same thing happen across the board. So I'm not going to fade this buy signal we've just got on Uni. The trend is your friend. We can clearly see that a lot of people are getting into meme coins at the moment. And meme coins on SUI, I'm specifically interested in, especially ones that have some fundamentals like this one. So you can see here, one thing I really like about this, SUI posted the other day saying trading card games are about collecting, so is Web3. This is called reactive content. So I used to actually do marketing before I was a trader. I used to do marketing for Web3 companies in the crypto space. And this is called reactive marketing, and it's one of the best ways to market. It's one of the best ways to get engagement. You have to be fast. You have to be on the ball. So when SUI posts some news, you have to go and create content that affiliates your project with that kind of news, that vibe, that sentiment. And you don't see it on a lot of projects. I only see it from people who have experience in marketing, and clearly they do have a lot of experience in marketing. And it's my experience that helps me find these projects, because I can see a good team from a mile away, right? I can see a team that are putting in the work, that are doing reactive content, that are, thinking outside the box as opposed to just the standard content. They actually sponsored SUI Overflow. So SUI actually posted from their main page, guys. Their page has 1 million followers. They posted saying a special thanks to Uni SUI Coin for sponsoring SUI Overflow 2025's DGen track. Okay, so we're getting posts directly from SUI, and there is definitely some sort of affiliation here, because the founder, one of the founders, Evan, actually mentioned Uni, the token. He said, Uni is a grown dog. He can do what the hell he wants. I'm not involved. So basically saying, look, I'm not the creator of this token, but he's a grown dog. They can do what they want. Almost like saying, you wouldn't post this if you didn't know who the dev was, right? You wouldn't post that, because a lot of people are going to be interested in it. And actually Uni went and done crazy numbers, right? It went up to like 35 million from, I think it was like 3 million or 4 million at the time when we got in, or something stupid. And he wouldn't post that, right? Because he knows a lot of people are going to see it and they might potentially jump in, they might get involved. To me, I'm speculating here, but I would speculate that either he knows the devs who created Uni, or I don't know, he's done some advanced on chain, or he's had a conversation with them or something. And now we've got SUI allowing them to sponsor. Now SUI also wouldn't allow a meme from random devs that could get rug pulled to sponsor the project, because they have to do their due diligence, guys. They've got 1 million followers. They can't be seen as accepting sponsors from undoxed projects that nobody knows, right? So somewhere or another, I'm speculating that there is some sort of connection between SUI or the co-founder and the devs, right? I love to see these kind of fundamentals when I'm looking to place bigger bets, because I did place a reasonable bet on this. I didn't get in crazy low, guys. I think I got in somewhere around the million range, just below the million range, and it's only just flagged up as a buy signal. It is a meme coin, guys, so obviously do your own research. Investing in crypto is highly risky. You can lose all of your money investing in crypto, so you should always do your own research and make sure you are trading responsibly, right? So yeah, pretty much it for now. I think if SUI continues to go up, I think we're going to see a lot of interest in smaller projects on SUI. I'm not trying to buy late into things that are up like to 600 million market cap. I'm trying to find the next runners that can go and 10, 20x. And, you know, this is down. This is where are we? We're near around a million market cap, 1.4 million market cap. So it's like a 25x to all-time highs. Even if it does 20x or 10x, you know, a 10x is like a $1,000 to $10,000 or $10,000 to $100,000. It's a lot of money, guys. The volume is picking up. The trend is your friend. We can see a lot of people money coming into meme coins. I think it could do well. Again, not financial advice, guys. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest. If you want to see my buy and sell alert, so if you want to see, you can see here I posted in my Discord about SUI the other day. I also posted about Uni in there. If you want to see my buy and sell alerts, head over to my X account and you can see my account here. You can see the link to jump in and get involved with us. And I've got a free Telegram there. It's completely free, my Telegram. So jump in there if you want to see some of the updates. I do market updates. Sometimes I post gems in there. I did actually post this one in Telegram as well. So if you want to see Uni, it's on MEXC actually. So some people are trading it on the DEX, but it's also on MEXC as well. I think, yeah, Uni Sui it's called on MEXC. And you know, it's on a few different it's good to see that it's on a centralized exchange, because some memes are just not listed anywhere on centralized exchanges, and you know, some people don't have the gas fees to pay for the DEX fees. So I like that it's on MEXC. There's pretty much no gas fees, and it's accessible to a lot of people, right? Don't forget to click the bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of these videos, and until then, I will catch you in the next one.